New mobile home buyers, I want to show you this 3-bed, 2-bath farmhouse. It comes with a porch. We're located in upstate South Carolina. My name is Jesus. Text me below if you want more details, okay? All right, so this farmhouse is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1,300 square foot. It's a 28 by 48 manufactured by Clayton. So this house comes with a porch. That is one of the awesome parts about this house is it comes with the porch from the factory. The porch is about 250 square foot. So the cool thing is you don't have to worry about all that permitting for a greater than 200 square foot porch because it comes with the house. I'll show you some of the pictures and then we'll take a look at the inside. Okay, here's the layout, but let's just head inside and look at the inside of this house. All right, let's start with the overhead view first, okay? This is your front door. You walk right into an open space. On the left side, you have the kitchen, open kitchen area, and then on the right side, you have the living room area. You have 2 bedrooms, you have a guest bathroom, you have a large primary, and then also a primary bath that has a walk-in shower, a linen closet. You can get a bathtub, and then in this area, you have your walk-in closet on this side, and then you have your washer dryer area, room for like a dehumidifier, maybe a chest, freezer chest. Okay, this one's called the Southern Farmhouse again, and it's that rustic Carolina mountainous feel that you might be enjoying whenever you are on your land. Okay, so here is the front door right here, and let's just take a quick look around. Like I said, this is the farmhouse. You get these nice rustic built-ins. You get the open floor plan, you get the farmhouse sink, you get the nice island, you get the dinette on this side. Okay, let's head over this way. We'll go ahead and check out the rooms. You have one room here, then you have another room on this side. Okay, and then you have your guest bath. Guest bath right here. Recessed lighting throughout. All right, let's check out this kitchen. This kitchen, you have tons of built-in space. You also have, again, those built-ins, the shelves, and you have that rustic mountainous look. Again, it's called the farmhouse. Now let's go into the primary. The primary is right here. Okay, so primary. You got rooms for your dresser. You got rooms for your end tables. You have large walk-in closet. Come this way, and you have a double vanity, large walk-in shower. This one actually has like the massage jets for your back. And then you have a linen closet. They can also do a tub if you need a tub, okay, if you're like someone that loves having a tub in that primary bathroom. Let's go back to the overhead. Like I said, this house is 1,300 square foot on the inside. This house is in the 140s. Our market is, we find that our market is everything under 150 in our area, and we really understand what our market is and what people are looking for in terms of price. So this house is in the 140s. Again, there is a porch here that is a 250 square foot porch. It can be flipped. You can have it on the other side. Okay, so come check out this house. This house is perfect for first-time home buyers, for downsizers, and for those that are looking to buy like a rental property. All of those are perfect for this house. You get the 3-bed, 2-bath, perfect for the what's that called? The family. The God, what's it called? 2 parents, 2 kids. Anyways, perfect for the family. And if you're a downsizer, maybe you had a bigger house, maybe you don't need the 3,000 square feet anymore, and you just want to relax, not have too much space to clean. This is the perfect house. Again, it is called the Southern Farmhouse, and come check it out. Okay, my name is Jesus. I'm in upstate South Carolina. Look forward to work with you. Give me a text below, and I do walkthroughs of our houses like this all the time. I have videos every Monday and Thursday. Monday morning to start your week, Thursday evening to start your weekend. Okay, subscribe. Talk soon. Bye bye.